Unicorns, and welcome back to my channel. I've missed you guys so much this past week with work and everything, but today's video I'm going to be taking you to Primark. I thought we'd have a little Primark trip together because Shane is out on the beach with his friend and I have no plans, so I'm going to be heading to Primark with you guys. And I haven't been to Primark since lockdown lifted. Like, can you believe it? Like, what? Where am I going, Fiona, with my life when I'm not in Primark? Getting those bargains, getting those deals, getting those essentials. So today is going to be like a Primark new in, exploring what's there, picking up some bits, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. And we'll make a move. I'll show you my outfit first as well, and then we'll drive. I'm going to the Telford Primark today, so that's the plan for today and where we're getting off to. So please smash this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here, and let's make a move, show you my outfit and go to Primark then. So this is what I'm wearing, just a cute smock dress from H&M with some slides, and the hat is from H&M, bags from H&M, literally. This was in a sale, it's not too flattering, but it's just a smock dress, you know, it just gives you some volume in areas you don't want to, but it's just really nice and comfortable, to be honest. Comfort is key when heading to Primark. Yeah, I really like this fit today. It's just really nice for the summer, and yeah, let's make a move and head to Primark. It is so hot in this car, I can't even cope. So it is just so hot. So I've got my sippy cup here, Starbucks, got the sat nav on, ready to go. I don't know if I mentioned, but yeah, it's like 3:15, so I'm going actually to the, oh my god, look at my thumb, it's snapped off. I'm going to the Chester, Broughton Primark today, so that's where I'm going to be heading off to. Oh my god, I feel like a sweaty little mess. But yeah, I'm going to head off there. We've arrived and we're about to go in. So I've just entered Primark and this is what you see. First of all, as you come in, they've got this really nice white bodysuit here actually. They've paired it with a blazer. I'm guessing they're going for like the blazer vibe, even though it's quite sunny outside. It's trending now and that is £25. Of course I had to pick up a basket, and I am actually wearing a mask just to be safe. Next we've got this denim dress. This is really cute, but I'm not sure if I would wear denim in this heat, to be honest. It's £17. A lovely kayaky dress here as well. That looks really nice actually. That is £13. Really nice just to wear with like a beach bag, you know, sunnies. And then you come into over here. Coffee first, yeah. Love that. I think this is a jeans section actually. I haven't been in this Primark in quite a long time. So you've got a selection of jeans here. Everyone raves about the jeans in Primark. I've actually never tried the jeans in Primark, so I wouldn't know, but they do actually look really good, these pair. Ripped hem, slim straight, they look really cute. Yep, we are in fact in the jeans section. So lovely pair of jeans in here. I really like these nude colour ones. Some more nude colour ones. These are nice. So they've got the whole section of jeans in here. I really need to try some of their jeans before, but it's just the sizing. Like everywhere is different. It's £17 for these. Ripped mom high-waisted vintage jeans. So I've come into the dress section first because I wanted to see what summer stuff they have in. Ooh, so over there I can see some really nice two-pieces. This Lush star detail on there, that's cute. Top is £7. You've got different variations in colour. Really cute accessories they've paired it with as well. A whole row of blouses. And then moving on to more dresses and stuff, let's have a look what they've got. So they've got this really nice top, which is not dresses, I know. Dresses, let's have a look. Ooh, they have some over here. I love the look of that white one. This is £18. Very, very long for me though, but it looked really, really cute with a beach bag. Love this blue dress as well. Again, a little bit too long for me, but it's really cute. Okay, the pieces over here look stunning. This top, that's a lemon with the puff sleeve, looks really nice. This dress is stunning as well. And they've paired it with a blazer, which is £15. And they've got a bag, and oh my god, I love this blazer. I have one very, very similar from H&M, but that one is a steal. Oh, it doesn't say how much it is actually. It's £23, it says on the back one. And paired with these trousers. There's some beautiful stuff in here. Another cute top, which is £9. Nice blouse and a bag to go with it as well. That is £12, that bag. Perfect beach bag there. We've hit some beautiful beach cover-ups. I love this one. It is £12. The lace on it looks absolutely perfection. That is so, so cute. A longer version right here as well, which is stunning. Got some swimwear as well. That's a cute swimwear piece, that bright pink. That is beautiful. This is stunning too. This is £8. It's like a play suit beach cover up. And some more swimwear over here. Some beautiful pieces of swimwear. Just some nice basic ones as well. Another beach cover up. Oh my god guys, this is beautiful. This beach cover up right here. It's only £12 and I love the bikini that they've matched it up with. Loving this sage green. The top is actually £4. Oh my god, that just looks absolutely insane, that does. Oh my god, this beach bag is super, super cute as well. It is £10. And I love the bikini here as well. It's a shame they don't have other sizes in the top half because this looks amazing. It's £4. I love this material on things. It's just really, really nice material. And then they've got some more beach cover up as well over here with some lovely hats. Love a beach hat. A nice selection there. So I'm just in the pajama section now and I naturally gravitate towards Saturn Pajamas. I love this colour here. This sort of like lemon colour. I love this pink set here, but I feel like it's just been dumped. So I'm going to see if there's any like nicer ones. This is beautiful as well. This satin, beautiful. Love this as well. I just love everything satin. Oh my god, this is beautiful as well. This, oh my god, I need this set. Oh my god, I need this set. Are these all like the same? Oh my god, they're £8. Oh my god, I'm picking that set up straight away. They've just got more variations of pajamas around here. This rainbow one's cute. They do have a really, really big Disney section as well. Wow, some really nice pieces in here. Oh, here we go, here's some Disney. But they do have like a Disney section down there that's dedicated. A really, really nice section in here. I love this as well. This kind of reminds me of Love Island. Love all these. And then they've got some sleep nightwear as well. Tops and everything. Not really my vibe. I kind of like a crop and then like a shorts. That's cute though. That's really nice. I've just found this beautiful section in the corner of the pajamas. I love these trousers. I've just picked up a pair and there's a dress there, looks gorgeous, and oh my god, just love the white. This is in the pajama section as well. On to jewellery now. I'm such a gold jewellery girl. Oh my god, these necklaces look amazing. So I'm going to be using this hand now because when I look at my other thumb, it just looks horrible. But I love these initial necklaces here. They look gorgeous. I also love these bracelets with the initial. I'm going to try and see if I can find mine, but not too sure if I'll get it or not. And then I also love these earrings here. They look absolutely stunning. They've got some really nice earring selections in here. So many nice ones. These look very similar to the ones I got in H&M. But yeah, they're more like just affordable in here. Love them. Oh my god, guys, I was literally staring at it right there. Is it a... I think you can use it for a foot or a wrist bracelet. So cute. So I'm just in the makeup section, and I really did think they'd have more variation of their stock, because I was looking at my favorite contour stick and they didn't have any of like the richer shades that I use for cream contour, so that was a bit disappointing. But apart from that, we've got a nice selection of beauty blenders and lashes and everything. Got some new lashes in here, and then my favourite Lash Glue. So I've just come out of Primark now, and I actually did less damage than I thought I would have done. I thought I would find like really nice things. Excuse my thumb and everything in there, like my good thumb is on this side, I snapped my other one. But yeah, I couldn't find stuff that I wanted to find, and it was like I come to this one specifically because I thought it would be a lot bigger. And yeah, a bit disappointed, but I did buy some bits, so I will show you them afterwards and show you all the bits and bobs that I got. But yeah, it was just a bit deflating that I couldn't like find as many things as I wanted to. But yeah, I still went to Primark, still happy with some bits that I picked up nevertheless. But yeah, it's a really hot day. I'm going to go around the rest of the retail park, but for this video and this Primark haul, I'll show you what I got in a second. Okay, so it's now a lot later, and I thought it would be cooler at this time. It's literally 8:30, and I finished shopping around like 5:30. So it's been a few hours, and I thought it would cool down this heat. Like, I love and appreciate the heat, but at the same time I can't cope because it's just so hot, and I need aircon and stuff like that to cool me down, and dresses and just stuff that makes me feel cool. So Primark today, to be honest, if I was going to give it a rate, I'll give it a 5, because it wasn't that good. I was hoping for like nice summer dresses, nice like co-ors, stuff like that. I don't know if I was just looking in the wrong places, but when I went through the shop, and I take my time when I go through the shop, especially when I'm not with someone, I take my time, and I literally couldn't find anything. So I've got my bag here, and I'm going to show you all the bits that I picked up from Primark. So there we go. So it's a decent sized bag, and I did pick up quite a few bits. I ended up spending around £40 in there, which isn't too bad, to be honest, if you think when you pick up loads of stuff and you think the damage is going to be like £100 or something. So yes, I will go through everything that I picked up. So the first thing that I picked up were these shoes, these slide-on shoes. They are size 6. I am a UK size 5, but I just thought I'd size up in these, and I'm so glad I did because they fit a lot better, and they were only £6. So yeah, they're just these really nice slide-on sandals, and yeah, I thought they were really cute, really nice to go with my outfit now. A nice beigey nude colour. So the first thing that I picked up, I love this sort of crossover like spongy effect, and they were £6. Okay, so next up I picked up, oh my god, these gorgeous trousers. These look so nice. So they're these white like cotton material trousers. Got them in a size medium, and they were at £10. So yeah, they looked really nice. I'll unhook them for you just so you can see what they look like. So they have a really nice stretch waistband. They've got these really nice buttons down the front. They're like almost like a linen, but it's more like a cotton linen. Oh yay! And then the bottoms are a really nice pattern as well. It's like this little detailing, which I really like, the little lace detail. So yeah, I picked them up as well. They were £10. I feel like I'm just gonna look hot and flustered, guys. You just kind of have to deal with hot and flustered Fiona. Next up, I picked up some duo lash glue. The green one is my absolute favourite. Next up, I picked up these cute earrings. I really love the one on the other side. It's really nice. They just look really cute, and just some really nice staple earrings for £2. And then really after that, I just went pajama crazy. So I picked up this set of pajamas. So we have the top there, which is like a pinstripe. Oh wait, this is the separate one. This is the nightgown, sorry. So this is a pinstripe nightgown, and this was £10. Really like that. It looks so gorgeous. It's really, really long. So it's basically just a nightgown which is pinstriped, has a gorgeous cuff detail, and I really love that. Really nice and floaty for when it's so hot. And then literally, because I've been watching Love Island, I thought this was just such a vibe, this little two-piece. So I've got the top here, which is a size medium, and it's like this pink, like tropical Bahamas vibe satin top. And then I've got the bottoms to match, again size medium. And I just love that. I love the little drawstring, the little tie up with the piping as well. It looks really, really nice. They were just such a beach vibe, so I thought I'd pick them up. Oh. They were just such a beach vibe, so I thought I'd pick them up as well. And that is basically everything I got, guys. Like, it wasn't really that good in there. I was really disappointed. I was looking to get some like cycling shorts and everything like that. And I did look in the sports section. The sports section wasn't that good either. I wanted to get some new like workout gear. So to be honest, it was a bit of a letdown, and I did purposely go to the bigger one. So I don't even know what happened there. I didn't even have the energy to go up into Primark Home as well. So that's where I left it, and then I went to Home Sense, which I actually got some bits and bobs from there as well. But yeah, this is the end of this video and what's new in Primark. I know it wasn't that fun and exciting, and I only got a few bits, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. Just seeing bits that I picked up and just having like a little just come shop with me. I really do appreciate you guys coming with me, and like just us having a little day out as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Unicorns, I love you so much. Bye.